Alright, y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you 4 different ways that I like to prepare tilapia. First one, just a basic, simple. Got some butter, nice big helping of garlic there, that's minced garlic, and then a little bit of salt there, a little bit of black pepper. This is coarse ground black pepper, of course. And then I just kind of fold it up into a nice little envelope here. Oh. Yep, I got two sheets here. Get that rolled up. Roll that end up. And there's one. Second way. Second piece of tilapia. Another about a teaspoon of butter there. And this is dill mustard. Don't knock it till you try it. It's really good. I just put a helping in there. Same thing. Roll it up. There's two. Third one, again, another piece of tilapia, more butter. Butter's always good. And then I use some Old Bay seasoning. I say some. I use a lot. And just a hair of sea salt in there. And one more time. We'll fold it up, seal it all up good. Alright, and the last one. One more piece. Yes, these are frozen. And then I use some Creole seasoning. And as before, just roll it up. And there we go. We got our 4 packets ready. I'm going to put the seasonings and stuff away, and we'll bring y'all back when we're ready to actually cook these things. Alright, y'all. We're out here in the shop now, and this is going to be like kind of a unique way of cooking them, but I do it all the time. I got the stove fired up here. Got a big piece of stainless steel up here on top. Got an air gap. There's a fan back behind it that blows through, and all I do is set them things right in there like that. If you can see them all back in there, but we'll let them cook for about a half hour or so. Check them, and usually they're about done, and then we eat. So we'll bring you back when they're done. All right, y'all. They've been cooking a little while here. We're gonna go ahead and open them up and give you all a nice view of what we got in here, man. Steam coming out of there, hot. All right. This is the dill mustard one. I had to think here. All right. Let's see what this one is. That would be the Cajun one. This is the garlic one. There's the garlic one. And as always, y'all, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Oh, look at that. And these are all nice and flaky, perfectly done. Like I said, it only takes maybe a half an hour at the most. So I'm going to dig in here and taste each one of these. I think the dill mustard one is my favorite. If you guys want to find that dill mustard, Walmart has it. Some other specialty stores do too. Ooh, that Cajun one's got some bite to it. Good, but it's got a bite to it. Old Bay, can't go wrong on seafood with Old Bay. Now, try a little bit of this garlic one. Oh man, that garlic with the pepper, yum. So, all right, y'all. You know, there we go. There you go. We got some cooking in. We got some work out in the garage done. I'm going to put this all on a plate here and sit back and throw a YouTube video on. Watch it and grub on this good food. If you guys like what you saw here, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell over there next to that subscribe button. Well, actually, hit the subscribe button first, then hit that little bell so you get all the notifications, everything I do out here in the garage, and in the house cooking, and out here in the garage, you know, working. Check out my weekly live stream every Sunday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Just a kind of round robin chat. We talk about anything. If you stop in, you actually have any questions about some small engine, polling, cooking, shoot them in the chat. Try to answer them. Appreciate it, y'all. And as always, if you guys weren't watching them, I wouldn't be making them. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.